Xiaomi launched its new Civi series phone in India called Xiaomi 14 Civi. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Xiaomi 14 Civi features a tall 6.55-inch 1.5K resolution curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Xiaomi 14 Civi sports and Leica featured triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Lighthunter 800 image sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 2x optical zoom support, along with the 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has dual camera setup under pill-shape hole punch at the top center that houses a 32-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, alongside the another 32-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 100-degree field of view, and it can capture 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a large 4700 mAh battery, with 67 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.2 by 72.77 by 7.75 millimeters, and it weighs around 177.6 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Xiaomi 14 Civi has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 42,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 47,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in cruise blue, matcha green, and shadow black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 20th. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 14 Civi smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.